in the last 48 hours, we have seen military strikes that could have provided a trigger for a larger conflagration. Iran hit targets in northern Iraq that landed missiles close to the American consulate in Erbil. President Putin of Russia has drawn a fresh red line, saying no question of returning any Ukrainian territory captured in the last year and a half by Russia. China has another red flag moment with Taiwan, with the election results that came last week, throwing up a winner Beijing does not like. Is the world today a tinderbox, just a trigger away from a world war conflagration? That's a little provocative, but then we ask. A short package and then I come back with a panel of guests.
An aggressive China, Russia invading a European neighbor, Iran engaged in tanker war 2.0. World affairs today look as if all of Tom Clancy's novels have rolled into reality. From China readying its navy and warning Taiwan in the east, to the US warning Iran and waging war against the Houthis.
These attacks are unlawful, they're reckless, and they are escalatory. The United States has built an international naval coalition of more than 20 countries that are countering these attacks and protecting international commerce through what we now call Operation Prosperity Guardian, and that's what you saw happen yesterday.
To Venezuela flexing muscles against its tiny neighbor.
These borders were settled in 1899. I see absolutely no case for unilateral action by Venezuela. It should cease, it is wrong. But I don't think I can remember a time when the need for international solidarity and action to tackle these threats has been more important for our own domestic security. I simply don't think there is, in any of our countries, a sort of put up the drawbridge and think you can insulate yourself from these problems. You can't.
And the Israelis waging war in Gaza. Something Iran said would spark a war. The old Chinese proverb, "May you live in interesting times," is one way to describe the current situation. With so many of the world's flashpoints active now, are we just one short step away from a global conflict? Let's debate.
Brace yourselves for a revolutionary leap into the world of news with the Republic World app. We are not merely presenting a news app. We at Republic TV are ushering in a new era of digital news consumption. The Republic World mobile app has the essence of power of breaking news and the heartbeat of our impactful shows seamlessly integrated into a singular dynamic platform for you. Join us, viewers, in an experience that goes beyond conventional news reporting. Don't merely witness the news, become a part of it. Download the Republic World app, now available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.